All right, so we need to write the equation that goes through this point, right, and has this slope. So remember, whenever they give you a thing, whenever they give you a point and a slope, you're going to use the point-slope form. Makes sense, right? Who remembers the point-slope form? I do. It's y minus y sub 1 equals m times the quantity x minus x sub 1. If I wrote it down right, I think I said it wrong. M times the quantity x minus x sub 1. Yeah, that's right. So then I say y minus y sub 1, which is 4, is equal to the slope, which is, remember, slope is m, negative 8/5 times x minus 5. Remember, when you minus a minus, it becomes a plus. Whew. So I get y minus 4 is equal to 8/5 times x is negative 8/5 x. And then 8/5 times, so we're going to say minus, and I'm going to say 8 times 5. That's a positive 5 all over 5. What happens with the 5s? They cancel, right? Or you can think of it like this, minus 40 over 5. What's 40 divided by 5? 8. So that's a negative 8. Then we add 4 to both sides. Remember, 4 is not a like term with the x, so you get y equals negative 8 over 5 x minus 4. C, right? Let me double check my handy dandy cheat sheet. Yep, that was right. Any questions on that? Now the fractions are going to mess you up a little bit. Don't try to do it in your head. Just take your time. Write out the extra steps. It's important for the final exam that you get the right answer. How could I double check that though? Any ideas? Decimals, yeah, absolutely. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up a tab and I'm going to go to Desmos and I'm going to graph what I believe is the correct answer. In other words, I'm going to say y equals negative 8 divided by 5 times x minus 4. Now, we're told that it's going to pass the point negative 5, 4. Does it look like it passes negative 5, 4? Yeah, it does, doesn't it? And we know the slope is negative 5/8, so that's the right one. Or you could just graph it like this. You could say negative passes through the point, passes through the point negative 5, comma 4, right? So that's how you could double check it too. Let's take a screenshot of that. I'm really over teaching this, but that's okay. That's the fun part of my job. Okay, so that works, right?